Hello guys, this is S-Cubing, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So that no one commented which cube solve they wanted to see, I chose it myself. So this is a 4x4 and we're going to solve it with the yum method. So let's scramble. So the cube is scrambled, and the first step we need to make these white bars. Here one's already made, and we need to make second white bar. So we'll look for center pieces, and both are here, so we need to align them like this, and we need to insert it down. So now we need to make yellow bars. One is already made here, and we make the second one. And after that, we can't insert bar like this because it breaks this. So we need to make it on the top and do these moves. And they're both inserted and none of them are break. So now we install the 4 centers, and I like to begin with green, but it is not matters from which color we'll begin, but we need to memorize the colors because 4x4 hasn't a center. It has 4 centers and we need to solve it. So it is green, red, blue and orange. So I start with green, make bars again, wait, and so we make both bars, and after that we need to make red. If we're holding cube like this, so let's make the red one. And when we have 2 bars, we need to insert 1 bar here and the other bar also at the top of it. And now we can't insert it like this moves because it will break it, so we insert it like this, and it isn't. So now we have to do the blue because it's blue after red, as you see. So we do the bars and it is solved. After that we're going to edge pairing, and I like to start with edge that had white. So let's start with this. We insert it and then we use a piece that is not solved. So again, look for it here, and we use another piece. So first we turn the top layer and we insert here another piece. Again, look for the pieces. Orange here. So last white piece. When you don't have any of them here, you need to just move it. And the last piece that isn't solved. So we have all white edge pairs and one this edge pair too. Now we move on to the other edges. So look for any of these edges. For example, let's take the blue and the yellow, and we have this blue and the yellow here. So when the edge doesn't align, so turn on top here because both are on the bottom, we need to insert it the other way. So now we can make so that no unsolved edge pair is on the top. We move on to this, and now we start making it again. So here is, I'm looking for blue, the other one. We need to insert it the other way, because so that now we don't have any unsolved piece, and we'll just do this simple moves, and now we have an unsolved piece on the top, and so all the edges are solved. But you might have a case where you need to do algorithm, so I'll do it now. I'll make that case. So this is the case when the very last two edge pairs need to match. So for that we do the algorithm. We put the side, the top side on the right, and R, Q, R prime, F, R, F prime, R prime, and it's all the edges. But when you have these edges with L2 case, when none of them match and they're not faced each other, and they don't look like same, you just do this algorithm once, and then, as I said, turn the head on the right side and do this algorithm. So when all the edge pairs and centers are done, we solve it like a 3x3. Make the cross. After that, make the F12. After that, we make a cross, a yellow cross, but this is an edge pairing that for Forber has an edge pairing, and you need to do a very long algorithm. So we do R, but we do on double moves, R, U2. The X move means to hold the cube on the bottom. R, U2, R, U2, R prime, U2, L, U2, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U2, and R prime. So this edge is flipped and we have a PL case here. But there is one more case that does not belong to 3x3, and I'll do it now. So this is the case when the two opposite edges need to swap, and you do the algorithm. So double move here, and double move and top hit. So it is solved. There's another case that I will show you now. So this is a case when you need to swap two edge pairs that are next to each other. So you do the same algorithm. Double move. And after that you have a PL case that can be solved very easily. And the cube is solved. So till the next video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The next video will be on these Megaminx.